Welcome to Finpod, your essential daily financial digest. Whether you are prepping for the opening bell or winding down after the market close, we have you covered. Finpod is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, the leading platform for real-time trading signals from X and AI-powered stock analysis. Let's get into it. Amazon is the big story today. Shares are up over 5% after CEO Andy Jassy released his annual shareholder letter. The market is cheering his disclosure that Amazon Web Services AI services have reached an annualized revenue run rate of $15 billion, plus a massive $200 billion capital expenditure commitment for AI infrastructure. On the flip side, Palantir is down over 7%. This move follows commentary from investor Michael Burry, who argued that enterprise AI competitors like Anthropic are gaining ground and effectively eating into Palantir's market share. ServiceNow is also feeling the heat, down nearly 8%, as the broader software sector faces a repricing event over fears that managed AI agents could disrupt their core business models. Meanwhile, NBIS Group is up over 9%, continuing its momentum as investors digest its massive, multi-year AI infrastructure deals. Finally, Netflix is up nearly 3%, with traders seemingly brushing off previous deal-related volatility and focusing on its standalone growth potential. Looking at the broader market, the S&P 500, the Dow, and the Nasdaq all closed higher today. The primary driver was a sense of relief as the U.S.-Iran ceasefire agreement appears to be holding, which has helped cool geopolitical tensions and ease some of the massive upward pressure we had seen on oil prices earlier in the week. While sticky inflation data from the Personal Consumption Expenditures Report gave investors a moment of pause in the morning, the market ultimately found its footing, with industrial and technology stocks leading the charge higher. In the AI economy, the theme of the day is infrastructure and collaboration. Beyond the Amazon news we covered, Intel and Google announced a multi-year partnership to advance next-generation AI and cloud infrastructure, focusing on the critical role of CPUs and custom chips in scaling complex AI systems. Meanwhile, CoreWeave announced an expanded $21 billion agreement with Meta to provide AI cloud capacity through 2032, further underscoring the massive demand for specialized hardware and data center capacity. For other stocks in focus, we saw a lot of movement elsewhere. Constellation Brands surged on a strong earnings beat, and Brown-Forman rallied on reports of potential takeover interest. It was a busy day for earnings as well. WD-40 reported its second quarter results, showing top-line growth that beat analyst expectations, though net income and earnings per share declined year over year. The market reacted positively, with shares up nearly 2%. We are also watching CarMax, which is gearing up for its quarterly report next week, and Washington Federal, which saw a modest gain today. To wrap things up, today was defined by a strong market rally driven by easing geopolitical tensions and major announcements in the AI infrastructure space from giants like Amazon, Google, and Meta. It was a day where the market proved resilient despite persistent inflation concerns. Thanks for listening to Finpod. If you enjoyed today's episode, please like, share, and subscribe. For detailed analysis and AI-powered stock insights, visit Fintwit.ai. Until next time.